Everyone thinks a 4K dash cam is automatically the best, but here's the thing. The Thinkware U1000 isn't great because it's 4K. It's great because it protects you when you are not even in the car. The surprising truth? The radar-powered parking modes and cloud alerts are what actually justify the price, while the 4K is only part of the story. I spent 3 weeks daily driving with the U1000, from bright highways to sketchy city parking and a 98-degree dashboard, and what I discovered flipped my priorities. If you assume resolution is everything, you might buy the wrong settings or the wrong camera entirely. Before we dive into what I discovered, quick heads up. If you are already leaning in, I dropped the best current price link below. But stick around because one setting change dramatically improved plate capture, and there are two gotchas most people never mention. I needed a new dash cam after my old budget unit failed me during a grocery lot door ding. The footage corrupted and the offender was gone. I park on the street, I commute in stop and go, and I leave my car in a shared garage where little mysteries show up on the bumper. So I wanted 3 things. Dependable parking protection, clear plates at speed, and something that does not overheat or nuke the memory card. I was skeptical of the marketing hype around the Thinkware U1000, especially at a premium price and a middling 3.7 rating on Amazon. I have also been burned by clunky apps and file corruption with other brands, so I went in suspicious, hoping for security, expecting compromises. Testing started with daytime clarity. The U1000 can shoot 4K UHD at 30 FPS using an 8.42 MP Sony Starvis sensor and a 150-degree wide angle, or drop to 2K QHD at 60 FPS. In bright sun, 4K 30 looks cinematic, crisp signage, wide field of view that actually captures adjacent lanes and sidewalks, and good dynamic range. But then I started focusing on plates from moving traffic. When vehicles cut in quickly, motion blur at 30 FPS can smear plate characters. Switching to 2K 60 FPS made a real difference with cross-traffic and oncoming cars at city speeds. The higher frame rate reduced blur enough that plate reads were more consistent, even though resolution dropped. If you add the optional CPL filter to tame windshield glare, 2K 60 becomes a sweet spot for moving targets. Night testing is where many 4K cams fall apart. Thinkware's Super Night Vision applies noise reduction and boosts shadows, and it's better than a lot of budget cams I have used. Headlight flare is controlled and signage remains readable. But then I noticed the trade-off. Aggressive noise reduction can smooth fine detail. Again, 2K 60 often did better with plates of cars moving across frame at night, while 4K 30 looked prettier on static scenes like parked cars or reflective street signs. Bottom line on image quality, use 4K 30 when you want max detail on a static or slower scene, but if your daily reality is fast merges and quick cut-ins, 2K 60 is the workhorse that actually catches what matters. Parking mode is where the U1000 surprised me most. Hardwired in, you get buffered motion and impact detection, and you can choose time-lapse to conserve power. With the optional radar module, the camera sits in a low-power state watching for movement. When radar detects motion, it wakes the sensor and records with a pre-buffer so you see what led up to the event. In my garage test, it caught a pedestrian brushing the bumper with a bag, and on the street it recorded a bike handle grazing the mirror. That pre-event buffer matters. Without it, you often only see the aftermath. With it, you get context. Heat was another test. Parked in summer sun, the U1000's supercapacitor design and Thinkware's anti-file corruption tech kept recordings intact, and I did not lose a single clip to card errors. I used a Thinkware-branded microSD, which the brand strongly recommends. Connectivity and app experience were the mixed bag I expected. Built-in GPS tags speed and location. Wi-Fi app pairing worked, but initial setup took patience, and file transfers over Wi-Fi are not fast. Thinkware Cloud 2.0 features are strong on paper. Remote live view, geofencing, locate vehicle, and impact notifications if you tether to a hotspot. In practice, live view worked when my phone hotspot was near the car, and impact alerts pinged me during a curb bump test. But then downloading clips remotely was slow. If you want frequent remote playback, be ready for waiting. ADAS features like lane departure and forward collision warnings are there, but they are chatty. I turned most of them off after a day because my car already has those alerts. Here's where it gets interesting. After hundreds of miles, dozens of clip reviews, and too much time staring at license plates frame by frame, the big discovery is that the best defense with the U1000 is not the 4K, it is the reliability story. Buffered parking events, radar wake, and file integrity. I went in chasing pixels and came out valuing protection. I also learned that switching to 2K60 in busy traffic gave me more usable plate reads than stubbornly staying at 4K30. Compared to other flagships I have used, like high-res Viofo models that can look razor-sharp in daylight, the Thinkware trades a bit of wow factor sharpness for stability, heat tolerance, and an ecosystem built around always-on security. Versus Blackview, Thinkware's app feels less polished, but the radar accessory is a genuine differentiator for parked protection, and you do not need an extra LTE module if you already tether a phone hotspot. Is it too good to be true? Not quite. The app can frustrate, the price is premium, and you must hardwire to unlock its best features. But when the bad thing happens while you are away, the U1000 stacks the odds in your favor. Now that you know the real advantage is protection plus smart settings, grab it before bundles go out of stock or prices bounce. I linked the best current deal below. If you are adding parking mode, do yourself a favor and include a proper hardwire kit and the radar module. Verdict: if you street park, live in apartments, or just want rock-solid parking coverage, the Thinkware U1000 is easy to recommend. Go 2K60 for traffic, switch to 4K30 for scenic or slower drives, and consider the CPL filter. If you want a silky app, an on-camera screen, or the cheapest 4K bragging rights, look elsewhere. Bottom line, this is less of a show-off 4K cam and more of a bodyguard that happens to shoot 4K when you need it.